Hey there folks, thanks again for tuning in, and today just offering you a real quick walkthrough of room 1324 in the Italian Village at Sandals South Coast. Now this particular room is listed on the website as the Beachfront Club Level Honeymoon Suite with Tranquility Soaking Tub. Now the Italian Village itself is the only village without a pool, but is also the village that is closest to all the main entertainment and restaurants. Start off our little tour here folks in the bathroom. As you can see, a nice double sink there. You got your walk-in shower and the aforementioned Tranquility tub, which is something my wife particularly enjoyed. Now the rooms in the Italian Village as of 2016 were all renovated, and my wife and I have stayed at all the Sandals in Jamaica with the exception of two, and I've always found these rooms at Sandals South Coast to be the most spacious and comfortable. Here is your patio view, normally beautiful. However, this room faced due east, and I will warn you folks, at about 9 o'clock in the morning, that sun comes through there like the map room at Tanis, and it makes it a little unlivable for about 45 minutes. Let's take a look at your in-room liquors here, folks. Some of your favorites, I'm sure. Got Lord Kingsley, Appleton Rum, Ivanhoe Vodka, and of course, Old Tom Gin. Now, this room had been lived in for about 7 days by the time I shot this, so the normal bottle of champagne you would have there and the numerous cans of Red Stripe are obviously missing. But they restock this every day, and not to worry if you somehow miss them. It's just a phone call away to the front desk or the concierge, and they will come right up and restock everything. Well, folks, this is going to bring us to the end of another video. Hope you enjoyed it. And always, if you do, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching again, folks, and we'll see you soon.